Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the machine is ready. Check whether your MacBook Air uses Apple Silicon or Intel. Once confirmed, save documents and plug in power. Disconnect any external drives and USB devices to avoid boot interference. Now shut the Mac down fully and wait about 10 seconds so firmware resets. These steps clear transient issues. They speed the safe mode process and reduce peripheral-related errors. When done, get ready to use the specific boot sequence for your CPU type. If you have Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until startup options appear. Then press and hold the Shift key, select your startup disk, and click Continue in safe mode. For Intel Macs, press power and immediately hold the Shift key as the Mac boots. Keep holding until you see the login window that shows Safe Boot. Make sure you release keys only after the safe mode text or indicator appears. These differences exist because Apple Silicon uses a graphical options menu, while Intel relies on after you sign in, safe mode performs checks and loads only essential drivers, so things may be slower. That's normal. To leave safe mode, simply restart the Mac without holding any keys and it will boot normally. If safe mode won't engage, try resetting NVRAM/PRAM on Intel Macs or use Mac OS Recovery to reinstall if system files are corrupted. For Apple Silicon, use recovery options from the power menu. If you still fail, remove recently installed software and try again. Often third-party kernel extensions block safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.